A woman's love is patient, forgiving, and strong. She'll fight for you, stand by your side, and give you chance after chance to make things right. She'll argue, cry, and beg for the relationship to work. Not because she's weak, but because she loves deeply. But here's the truth. There's a limit to her patience. And when a woman finally gives up on you, it's the point of no return. It doesn't start with a dramatic goodbye. It starts with silence. She stops complaining, stops texting first, stops asking where you are. Because she has realized that her words no longer matter to you. Then comes emotional detachment. The things that used to hurt her now barely get a reaction. The woman who once cried for your attention now saves her tears for herself. She no longer argues because she has stopped hoping for change. When a woman reaches this stage, she's already halfway gone. And by the time you realize it, it's often too late. This is the moment most men regret deeply, because they look back and see all the signs they ignored. The late-night messages, the soft warnings, the silent tears. All the love she gave before she decided to give it to herself instead. Here's the painful reality. When a woman truly gives up, she rarely comes back. Her heart doesn't break twice for the same person. And the man who lost her will spend years wondering how he let the best thing in his life slip away. The lesson is clear. If you have a woman who loves you, supports you, and fights for you, cherish her before her silence becomes permanent. Because when she finally gives up, you've reached the point of no return.